Hey guys, so this is my tutorial on how I completed this smoked winged eyeliner look. This is an all matte eyeshadow look and I use the Born This Way Natural Nudes palette by Too Faced. I absolutely love this palette. This palette was completed using these e.l.f. strips, which helped me give that crisp line. I think those strips work much better than Scotch tape. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and hit the bell for notifications on future tutorials. So I will be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette. And first I'm going to apply these e.l.f. strips so I can have a crisp line. On a Morphe 514 blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Nude right here, which is a beautiful transition shade, and I am going to blend that into my crease area all the way through. Then on a ColourPop E16 blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Maple, which is that warm brown transition shade, and I'm just going to blend that into the outer V area. And dragging it a little bit into the crease. On a Morphe GH38 blending brush, it's more pointed and precise. Take the shade Cocoa, which is that red tone, beautiful brown shade. And I'm going to blend this into the outer V and across that strip. Blend out that top there. I don't want that to be that harsh. On a E6 ColourPop angled brush, I'm going to apply the shade Truffle, which is that really dark brown shade in the palette. I'm going to line across the strip here and down on my lash line. And then I'm just going to remove the strip. And there's a beautiful crisp line. And sponge and blend out. JH38 brush and the shade Cocoa. Actually, I'm going to take Cocoa and Maple mixed together. And I'm just going to blend the bottom lash line. I'm going to take more of the shade Cocoa. With that angled brush, I'm going to take the shade Truffle again, right there. Line the outer V of my lash line. Blending brush and blend out. I'm going to take Tarte Expose Highlight and highlight my inner corner. mascara. This is the Smashbox Fan Mascara, and then some false lashes. I'm going to apply some Rimmel London Nude eyeliner to my bottom waterline. I think it really emphasizes, elongates, make your eyes look bigger with the white eyeliner and the inner corner sparkle, and of course the like natural smoked out wing. So this is my smoked winged eye makeup look using the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette.